Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chef Rocco Presents. Today, we're going to make an amazing homemade burger that's juicy, flavorful, and super easy to prepare. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound ground beef, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 4 hamburger buns. Feel free to add your favorite toppings like cheese, lettuce, tomato, and more. Mixing ingredients. First, in a large bowl, combine the ground beef, egg, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Remember, mix gently to keep your burgers tender. Forming patties. Now, divide the mixture into 4 equal parts. Roll each into a ball and then flatten into a patty. Here's a tip. Make a small indentation in the center to prevent the burgers from puffing up while cooking. Let's heat our grill or skillet to medium-high heat. If you're using a skillet, add a bit of oil to prevent sticking. Place the patties on the grill or skillet. We'll cook them for about 3-4 minutes on each side for medium rare. If you prefer well done, just cook them a bit longer. If you're a cheese lover, add your favorite cheese slice on the burgers in the last minute of cooking. While our burgers are cooking, let's toast the buns until they're lightly golden. Time to assemble. Place each burger on a bun and add your favorite toppings. I'm going with lettuce, tomato, onion, and a bit of ketchup and mustard. And there you have it, a perfect homemade burger that's sure to impress. Look at how juicy and delicious this looks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating these burgers as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.